Okay, amanya Geoffrey Tulyamusima, lawyer wa Charles Sipapa abanji gwe tumanyi. Guno gwe musango gwe no ku kooti y'e Makindye gwe bamuteekako nti yagenda n'amenya office ey'omu Japan ekisugu. Guno musango singa tujjukira bulungi bagamba gwa mwaka 2019. Okuva 2019 paka omwaka ogwedde bayite baguletanga baguleeta omwaka ogwedde. Olunaku lw'olwo tugenze maaso g'omulamuzi gwe bayita Esther okulaba nga tweyongerayo n'okubuuza ebibuuzo ababujulizi ba gavumenti ereese. Omujulizi wa leero abadde Soko oba omuntu akola investigation ewogudde ekikolobero ekyo. Era tumubuuza ebibuuzo eby'enjawulo n'addamu of course tumanyi byazeemu ebimu bibadde nga tebikwatagana na bye yagamba oba bye yawandiika kuva mu statement ye emyaka egiwerako 3 n'emabega. Weewaawo ne kooti nayo neemubuuzaayo oluvannyuma ne lawyer we omulowezi wa gavumenti naye n'amubuuza. So ffe tubadde mu kooti katujjako mawanga 2 mu mwezi ogujja okulaba nga tugenda maaso n'okuwuliza omusango. Yes, bail. Ekisooka ku guno omusango tetwagenda nnyo mu by'okusaba bail ku lw'ensonga tumanyi wakati waffe oba wange ne client wange that omusango guno mujweteke. Kati ng'ogenda mu bail ataasooka aveeyo ate tugende maaso n'okuguwuliriza weewaawo ate alina ne guli omusango wa high court nga tesijja kukola makulu. Ku lw'ensonga ne wafuna bail wano nga tanaafuna bail okuva ku high court aba tasobola kuvaayo. Kati ne tugamba leka tugende maaso n'okuwuliza omusango y'ensonga lwaki emirundi gyonna tuzze nga era tuzze kweteeka kugenda maaso n'omusango tetuzze kusaba adjournment yonna. Of course ono witness wakubiri nga bonna bye boogera tebikwatagana. Asooka oli eyali nannyini bintu, owookubiri weewaawo yonazze yakola investigations ku kifo ekyo nnyini. Kati mulimu obulimba bungi kyemmanyi ne kooti ebulabye weewaawo tujja kuteekayo okusaba kwaffe okulaba nga bagugoba omusango. Essuubi welidde nnyo era bano abajulizi abasigaddeyo 2 oba 3 bajje nga beetegese. Omu yakola fingerprints, omulala ye yazimuggyako, omulala yakola report. Then n'asembayo ye yakola investigations ezaddako. Kati mu fayiro eno jjukira ya mwaka gwa 2019. Kati wazzeeyo abantu ab'enjawulo nga bakola investigations. Yeno fayiro kooti gye yawuliriza n'emala n'egoba. Weewaawo eyali gwe bagamba yazizza ekikolobero ne bamusiba n'asaavinga ekibonerezo kye. Kati ku Sipapa ne bamala ne bajja ne bamugimuteekako. Katumanyi nti buli kimu kigenda tambula bulungi era essuubi gye liddene. Of course sijja kugamba nti gyali ali bulungi ku lw'ensonga omuntu ali munda mu kkomera taaba bulungi naye alina essuubi ddene that lubeera lumu agenda fuluma.
Detective Kookie solemnly affirm that the evidence I shall give in the matter before court now shall be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth.
State, I'll allow you to proceed. Must be 802.
Detective Kookie Mutiri Hassan. Mutiri, P-U.
It's okay.
T-I.
It's okay.
Yes.
Yeah, police officer attached to where?
The police officer attached to Kookie police station.
In 2019, where were you working?
I was working at Kookie police station. I reside in Paris police barracks under a zone called Red Car.
omusirikale alina emyaka 33 amanya ge Kookie Hassan. Mu kiseera kino akolera Palisa Police Station. Mu 2017 bamubuuziza yali akolerawa. Mu mwaka gwa 2019 yali akolera ku poliisi ey'e Kabalagala.
Okay, can we have order? There is too much commotion.
Abeera Palisa mu Barracks.
Yes, I need you to tell us the roles you played in this case.
Yeah, in this particular case, before this honorable court, I played a role as a SOCO, that is senior crime officer.
Yes. Yes, so what did you do?
On the day of 3rd February 2019, it was around the midday, I proceeded to the scene of crime of office breaking and theft.
Where is it?
It was situated in Kisugu.
Ng'ennaku z'omwezi 3 omwezi ogwokubiri omwaka 2019 ssaawa zaalinga 6 n'agenda ku kifo we bagamba omusango w'eddwaddizibwa we baali bagamba nti ofiisi yali emenyeddwa mu Kisugu.
It's called a request from Detective Kookie.
Kino kyava ku Kopolo Olali yali amusabye atuuke mu kifo ekyo.
Kopro? Olal. What was his Olal? What was the duty of Olal in this case? Was he the IO? What was he?
He was the IO and he was the CID standby that day. So when he received the matter, he informed me and he requested me.
Amubuuziza nti Olali yali akola ngaani nti Olali ye yakola mu kunoonyereza mu musango guno era ye yamusindika.
You received a request, you know at the scene of crime, take us to.
When we reached the scene of crime,
bwe baatuuka ku office omusango w'eddwaddizibwa.
the scene was found in an enclosure of a perimeter wall fence. With the gate and the entry point. It was an office. Which was being occupied by a New Jack company.
Bamubuuziza nti bwe yatuuka mu kifo ekyo kyali kifaanana kitya nti kyali kiriko ekisaakaate kino nga kiriko ne geeti. N'amubuuza nti zaali ofiisi oba kyali mulimu abantu ababeera nti zaali ofiisi nga zikozesebwa aba New Jack company.
So when we reached there, we were again joined by then the OC station Kisugu ASP Kaposa.
Bwe baatuuka mu kifo ekyo beegattibwako OC station w'e Kisugu Mwami Kakooza.
Before touching, adding or removing anything at the scene of crime, I took photographs.
Nga tannakwatako oba okubaako kyonna kyajjawo yasooka n'akuba ebifaananyi.
And the photographs ranged from general to specific.
Range from?
General to
From
specific.
general to specific.
Funny, I need you even before we go to the photos. This scene of crime, were there people, was it preserved? Tell us how the scene of crime was exactly.
Okay, the scene of crime was being guarded at night by SGA security company.
mbuuza nti ekifo kino nga bina tebinnabaawo mwalimu abantu babeeramu nti waaliwo ababeerawo era kyali kikuumibwa basikaali aba SGA.
And during that time, I think it was office work. You can work then in the night, they leave.
So were people working on that day when you went? That's what you want to know.
SGA, that is a DU, Lameka, who was working that night.
Be specific. I don't think your witness got what you asked.
This is an office. You went to that scene. Were people working in that office? That's what you want to know on that day when you went. Was the office like not people working or people were not working?
People were not working.
Basically what I want to know. Because it's an office.
Olw'okuba nti yali ofiisi bamubuuza nti mu lunaku lwennyini babasanga bakola nti ofiisi bagisanga teri mukola olunaku olwo.
Okay, you took photos?
Yes, I took photographs.
Yakuba ebifaananyi.
Then after taking photographs, I was taken around the scene of the crime.
By who? Who took you around?
By the reporter. It's called the WADA.
The complainant?
Yes, WADA.
Bwe yamala okukuba ebifaananyi baamulambuza ekitundu kyonna bamubuuza ani yali amulambuza complainant oba akuvunaana yali amulambuza.
And I established that the unknown person by then used the rear door for entering and exiting.
Kyeyazuula nti omuntu ono eyayingira oba eyakola obumenyi bw'amateeka mu kifo kino yakozesa oluggi lutatera kozesebwa nnyo lwe yayingiriramu era lwe yafulumiramu.
I accessed inside the scene of crime and very many things were found scattered in different rooms of the offices.
I'm taking you back. You said the person entered through the rear door. How many doors were in that building to access that building? How many doors, how many exits are there to access the building?
This is a storage building. There is a rear door. There is one room, the first floor, the ground floor and the first floor on top. Now, there was an entry point at the front, which is one from the ground, then another one from the first floor.
When you say entry, access to the building, remember we are dealing with a perimeter phase.
Yes.
So which access are you referring to? To the building now?
Inside the building.
So the first floor had one access?
The ground floor, the front side bit of it, had one. Then
so there's no behind on the ground floor. It's only one door. Is that what you're telling me?
Sorry?
One access door in the ground floor.
It's only one access door. Is that what you're telling me?
Yes, from the front.
So is there behind? Because you're telling us from in front. Is there another one behind?
Yes, there was a behind access door.
Which leads to where? Leading to where?
Leading to inside the scene. Inside the offices.
Let me try to see whether we have understood. You said there's a door in front. There's also another door from behind. Is that what you're telling me?
Yes.
So there's in front and there's behind.
And behind.
Is that the ground floor?
Yes, down floor.
Bambuuzibwa kirina enzigi mmeka eziyingira nti emizigi za mirundi ebiri olw'emaaso n'olw'emabega nti olw'emabega kiraga nti lwe baamenya lwe baayitamu.
Then you also told court that there's a door on the first floor.
Yes, from the front.
Waliwo n'oluggi olw'emaaso ku mwaliriro ogusooka.
Another question there. Can I use that door on the first floor without using the ground floor?
No.
Meaning I first have to use the ground floor before I can access the first one?
Yes.
Kitegeeza nti omuntu tasobola kugenda ku mwaliro ogusooka nga tayise mu luggi lwa wansi nti kituufu.
Carry on.
Continue.
So now when I accessed inside, I processed, analyzed and examined the scene of crime.
Bw'ayingira ofiisi gye bagambye yamenyebwa yagiyingiramu n'agyetoolola n'agyekebejja
On particular items
ku bintu ebyenjawulo
that I suspected someone would have touched.
bye yali asuubira nti waliwo omuntu by'ayinza oba nga yakwatako.
For example,
Nga mu ebyo mulimu
in this particular office,
mu ofiisi eno yennyini
there were safe boxes.
safe boxes.
The office was in which floor? Which floor was the office you were referring to?
It was covering both the ground floor and the first floor.
Bamubuuza ofiisi yali eri mu fulo ki nti fulo zombi bbiri.
Yes?
So when I examined the points, including the padlock and the access point, I was able to lift or retrieve lighted marks or finger marks.
Yakebera ku luggi okwalowoozebwa nti kufulu zaali zimenyeddwa era n'asangako engalo kuba fingerprints.
I lifted those latent marks, which were 4 in number.
This was on the door and the padlocks?
The padlock and the safe box.
Yes?
I lifted them, and after lifting, we at the scene as a team. Corporal Lally arrested the person who was guarding there.
Please, can you stick to your roles? Can you leave Corporal Olani out of this and tell us what you did, please? You are going to waste the whole day.
So after lifting the marks, I left the scene of crime. I went back to the station, whereby the person who was guarding was brought before me, that is Andulame. He was subjected to fingerprints. And other workers of the office were also fingerprinted. I submitted the fingerprints and the marks that I had lifted from the scene of crime. The forensics lab for further analysis and examination.
Ku bintu bye yajjako fingerprints bye yalowooza nti biyinza oba byakwatibwako kwaliko kufulu oluggi ne safe box. Bwe yamala n'agenda ku poliisi, eyo ku poliisi gye yali bwe baamuleetera omukuumi yali akuumye ekifo ekyo ekiro ekyo era naye yamuggyako fingerprints. N'abakozi abalala bakola mu ofiisi eyo nabo baba bamutwalira nabo n'abaggyako fingerprints. Bwe yamala ozibaggyako n'aziweereza eri bannakinku abeekebejja fingerprint.
You told what you took the photos.
Yes.
Can you look at these photos?
Yategeezezza kooti nti alina ebifaananyi bye yakuba mu kifo ekyo.
Do you know those photos before even you start doing anything?
I know them.
They are found in court.
After reading them, we order.
bye bifaananyi bye yakuba.
This one is showing the area, so location, showing the gate, the scene of crime.
Ekisookera ddala kiraga
You marked in photograph number 1.
I marked it photograph P.
Kiraga ekkubo erigenda ku geeti bwe bagamba omusango ogwazzibwa.
Then this other one is a general view of the scene of crime.
Kirala kiraga ekifo kyonna nga bwe kifaanana omusango bwe gwazzibwa.
That is the office.
Marked.
Marked P1. The third photograph is showing the way through to the rear door.
Ekifaananyi ekyokusatu kiraga omulyango ogw'emabega tatera bakozesebwa.
What is it? That is the
Showing
path.
the way through the path.
So where's the path?
Here. Where this
Behind that is where?
Yes. This way I passed to access the rear door.
Marked.
It's marked P2. The first photograph is showing the corridor between the wall fence and the house.
Ekifaananyi ekyokuna kiraga olukuubo olwawula ekisaakaate n'ennyumba.
Marked P3. The fifth one shows the door.
Ekifaananyi ekyokutaano kiraga oluggi.
You are the in front of the behind.
That was the rear door, the behind door.
Is that where you state was the premises was accessed to?
Yes.
Kiraga oluggi.
Marked.
Marked P4.
Ekigambibwa nti eyamenya lwe luggi lwe yayitamu.
I talked of the safe boxes. This is one of them, which is blue in color.
Which color?
This is blue in color. Marked P5.
Kiraga seefu ze yayogeddeko eziri mu kala ya bbululu.
Scattered items in the scene of crime.
Ekifaananyi kiraga ebintu nga bisaasaanyiziddwa mu ofiisi.
Marked.
P6. This photograph is marked P7, showing the drawers that were tampered with and opened. That office.
Ekyo ekifaananyi kiraga drawer endala ezaali zaakwatibwako mu ofiisi eyo y'emu.
This photograph marked P8 still shows some other scattered items.
Ekifaananyi ekyomunaana era nakyo kiraga ebintu ebimu ku birala ebyali bisaasaanyiziddwa.
This photograph marked P9 is another safe.
Was it also tampered with?
Ekifaananyi eky'omwenda kiraga seefu endala eyasangibwa nga nzigule.
Now my interest. my interest is here. Photograph marked P10.
Ekifaananyi eky'ekkumi.
Marked P10. I found the safe keys.
Yasanga ebisumuluzo bya seefu waggulu.
And I put more emphasis in examining this safe box.
Ennanga ekyo seefu eyo yagiteekako essiira kuginoonyerezaako.
I examined it and I picked 2 latent marks.
Kyekebejjera yakiggyako obubonero bubiri.
Different colors.
On that.
Yes.
Yeah.
That is one from, like, for example, here, then another one here. Those are the 2 items that I picked.
That is photo marked 10.
10.
Ekifaananyi eky'ekkumi yaggyako fingerprint 2 za mirundi 2.
Then this other photograph shows where some of the stolen things like computers were stolen from.
Ekifaananyi ekisembayo kiraga wa ebimu ku bintu ebyabbibwa we byali byateekebwa.
Marked P11.
Ekifaananyi eky'e11.
Yes, you have explained to us what you got, the marks that you got on P10, but you have not told us that P4.
Yes.
Which part did you?
On P4, I examined the padlock.
So what?
This is the padlock, and I was also able to pick 2 latent marks from it.
Bamubuuza nti oluggi yalulaze kooti nti yalukuba ekifaananyi naye teyabuulidde kooti waawo we yakebera. Agambye yakebera kufulu yamenyebwa era n'ajjako fingerprint za mirundi 2.
We worship and pray to tender in the
Lidawo talina kyabiwakanyaako.
We only had one exhibit. Proof of purchase of items. That is the document that was translated by Makere. So the photo is going to allow that prosecution exhibit number 2.
from the accused before court.
Ategeezezza kooti nti yafuna fingerprints z'omukuumi eyakuuma ekiro n'abakozi abalala bambuuziza nti ezaavunaanibwa yazifuna nti nedda.
Is that all you know about this case?
Byebyo byamanyi ku musango guno.
What should the witnesses available for cross-examination?
Cross counsel.
Okay, Mr. Hassan, I have some questions to ask you. I will request for some answers. Do you know the reason why you are in court today?
Yes, I know.
And And according to what you have stated in court, have you executed the reason which brought you to court?
Yes.
Do you know the accused person in court?
Yes, I know him.
You know him? Sorry?
He's over there, I know him.
You know him over here. You've known him from here or outside?
I've known him from here.
From here. That means you've never seen him save from only court here.
It's my first time to see him.
Thank you.
Lida wamubuuzizza nti amanyi omusango omanyi lwaki ali mu kkooti nti amanyi nti akoze ekyamuleese akikoze bwakuvunaana akumanyi era akulaba mu kkooti era yakumanyira wano mu musango gwe.
Did you make a statement at police?
Yes, I did.
If given it to you, can you confirm the same?
Yes.
Let me give him the original.
Must you have?
Amubuuzizza nti yakola statement musango guno nti yagikola bwe bagimu asobola omumanya oba okutegeera nti eyo gye yakola nti ye.
Is that your statement?
It is.
Can you confirm it to court that it is your statement?
I appended my signature and my name is here. 55802. By then I was a constable, and now because of the good work I've been elevated.
Thank you so much, Alphonse. Is it true that the offense was committed on 3rd February 2019? According to your statement?
According to my statement?
Yes. Is it true that the offense was committed on 3rd of February 2019?
According to my statement, I don't know whether it is true.
Okay, you are not sure when the offense was committed?
No.
Do you remember when the offense was committed? Answer my question.
I remember only the day I visited the scene,
You remember only the day you visited the scene.
but I don't know the particular date the offense was committed.
Thank you. Am I therefore right to say that you as an investigating officer, you do not know when the offense was committed?
I'm not an investigating officer. I'm
He
a
was
scene
scene of crime
officer.
Okay. You as the scene of crime officer, you do not know when the offense was committed. Is that right?
The offense was committed in the night.
In the night.
So I don't know whether it was on 3rd or 2nd.
It's okay. Let's assume it was on 3rd, according to your statement. Is that right?
On the 3rd is the day I visited the scene. I responded to the scene of crime. I was not so specific.
He has not completed his question. Wait, let him complete his question, then you answer.
Okay, when did you visit the scene of crime?
On the 3rd.
On 3rd.
February 2019.
When did you make your statement at police?
At police, I made my statement on 9th February 2019.
Am I right to say that that was after 5 days?
You're right.
After 5 days of visiting the scene of crime, is that right?
Yes.
Do you remember the time the offense was committed?
He wasn't.
You don't know the time. What time did you go to the scene of crime?
I went to the scene of crime at around 12:05. That's when I started.
That's at
reached the
midday.
scene of crime.
That's at midday.
Yes.
And when you reached at the scene of crime at midday, you were informed that the offense was committed in the night. Is that right? Sorry?
Yes.
But you weren't informed of the actual time in the night.
That one I don't know. I'm not certain.
Do you remember the people you found at the scene of crime at midday?
I don't remember it.
You don't remember them. But you remember that there are people around at the scene of crime.
I went there with only one person.
You went there with only one person?
Yes, the complaint.
And you didn't find anyone there at the scene of crime?
There was a security guard
There was a security guard.
from SG.
Was that security guard inside or out?
It was inside the perimeter wall.
Inside the perimeter wall. Are you the one who secured the scene of crime? You cordoned off.
Cordoning off. Are you the one who did that?
Cordoning off the scene of crime.
Yes.
Since the scene of crime was sold in an enclosure, there was no need of cordoning off.
There was no need.
The moment I arrived, I exhausted whatever I wanted that day, and there was no need of cordoning off after the work.
Meaning by midday, the scene of crime had not been secured by police.
That one I can't tell you.
That one you can't tell. According to what you saw the scene of crime, was that in that entire fence, were there some other residential apartments? People staying in the same area, in the same... My apologies.
bamuwadde state yakola kituufu yali yiye kuba yali yateekako amannya ge era nga yasayiningako ne bamubuuza nti statement eyo yagikola ddi yagikola nga 3 yagikola ddi n'agamba mbu ye statement eyo yagikola nga wayiseewo ennaku 5 yagikola nga ennaku z'omwezi 9 February w'omwaka ogwo gwennyini omwaka 2019 ne bamubuuza nti amanyi olunaku omusango bwe gwazibwa nti ye tamanyi naye yajjukira nti yagenda mu kifo ekyo ng'ennaku z'omwezi 3 February ne bamubuuza ajjukira essaawa nti essaawa tazijjukira ayina abantu be yasangawo mu kifo ekyo nti ajjukira yasangawo omusirikale eyali akuuma oba sikaali yali akuuma ow'ekyo nga akolera ekitongole kya SDA ne bamubuuza nti ekifo kino kiriko abantu abalala abakibeerako oba tewali.
Because I remember you told us a blue safe, and again you showed us another. These two photos, I don't know whether this is where cancer is derived from this specific.
That is it.
That is it. There are 2 safe boxes. Do you remember the colors of those 2 safe boxes?
Yes. The other one was silver in color, and then another blue.
Silver in color and blue. Thank you.
Agambye kooti nti ye yalaba seefu 2 zokka, emu nga ya blue endala nga ya silver.
The silver one.
Seefu zombi 2 eriwa gye baamenya.
Yes, I examined it from the scene of crime.
And you never took it as an exhibit to police?
There was no need.
Seefu eyo gye bagamba gye yamenya yagitwala ku poliisi ng'ekizibiti teyagitwala era yo olwamala okukola omulimu gwe yagirekayo. Olina kinkumukuba ebifaananyi mbu nedda.
Am I right to say that you are the one who took the photos?
It is me.
And am I right to say that you are not a photographer?
I'm not a professional. As you had asked.
Thank you.
Aba mutuufu bw'agamba nti yakuba ebifaananyi nti ye yabikuba nti bw'ate ng'agambye si mukubi wa bifaananyi nti yabikuba naye si bye yasomerera.
Which gadgets did you use?
Yakozesa ki ng'abikuba? Yakozesa kamera.
Which type of camera did you use?
Kamera kikaaki?
Nikon digital.
Nikon
Digital.
digital.
Kamera ya
Do you know its
kikaaki.
specifications?
No, I can't remember.
You can't remember. Or you do not know?
I can't just remember.
You can't remember. We have cameras here. Can you compare one?
Kamera eziri wano asobola okugeraageranya.
Cannot compare.
Tasobola.
Most of them. When did you take the photos?
I took the photographs on 3rd February.
On 3rd February 2019.
Yes.
Go to pin number 1.
Ebifaananyi yabikuba ng'ennaku z'omwezi 3.
Is it written anywhere there that you took them on 3rd?
On that date. It's not.
It's not.
Yes.
Is it written anywhere on all those photos that you took those photos on 3rd?
I have a document.
My brother, answer my question.
Yes, it is. It's not written anywhere that I took the photographs on that.
I'm talking about all the photos.
No.
It's not written anywhere that you took the photos on the 3rd. Thank you. Turn them behind. Which date is on that photo? P1.
It is 26 November 2022.
20 what?
2022.
26th
26
November
2022.
Is that your signature behind?
Yes, it's my signature.
Date of 26th November 2022. With your signature?
Yes.
Ebifaananyi ebyo birina we biraga nti yabikubanga ennaku z'omwezi 3 mbunedda mbw alina ekiwandiiko ne bamubuuza akyuse ekimu ku bifaananyi ebyo kiraga nti byakubibwa. Deeti ennaku z'omwezi ziriko emabega 26 Novemba w'omwaka oguwedde.
Is it the same thing with all the photos you have?
Yes.
That's the same date?
Yes.
And the signature?
Yes.
Ebifaananyi byonna birina ennaku z'omwezi ze zimu 26 Ogw'ekumi era nga kuliko n'omukono gwe yasayininga.
And I'm right to say that the offense or your investigation and you took photos on the 3rd? On 3rd February 2019. Is that right?
Right.
That's right. Thank you.
Ate nga yagamba ebifaananyi yabikubanga ennaku z'omwezi 3 omwezi ogwokubiri omwaka 2019.
Let's go to those show that was tampered with? Does it show that was tampered with?
It doesn't show.
It doesn't show.
Olwo oluggi lulaga nti lwataataganyizibwako mbu nedda terulaga.
Does that padlock show that it was broken?
Kufulu.
The padlock was broken.
Hassan, look at that photo.
No.
Thank you.
Kufulu eyo eraga nti yamenyebwa mbu nedda.
Am I right to say that someone who opened that door was inside?
I don't know.
You don't know.
Aba mutuufu bw'agamba nti omuntu eyaggula oluggi olwo yali munda tamanyiye.
Let's go to number 8. It was blue. Is it blue in color?
That is photograph 8.
Number 8.
P8.
I have 8 here.
P8.
Let me have a look at. Yes, P8. Sorry, P5. My apologies.
P what?
P5.
P5.
Yes, that's blue, right?
According to me, blue.
It's a safe, right?
So it's a
Let me compare with mine. I'm sorry. Yes, this is a safe, right? Yes. And you informed the court that that safe was not tampered with, the blue safe. Is that right?
Yes, according to the owner.
According to the owner.
Yes.
And that safe is open. Is that right?
It was open.
It was open. Meaning that safe was open a day before and it left open throughout the night.
I don't know.
You don't. Thank you.
Sefe ya bbulu yagambye yategeezeza kooti nti teyakwatibwako wabula ekifaananyi kiraga nti nzigule nti ye yagambibwa complainant nti yo bwekyo bwe yali tekwatiddwako. Kitegeeza nti baagireka nga nzigule okuyita mu kiro yasula nzigule nti tamanyi.
Let's go to number 9.
Ekifaananyi eky'omwenda.
Yes.
I just want you to confirm that's a grey color. That safe is grey in color.
Who that colors?
So, sorry, you said silver? You said silver?
I talked to silver.
Okay, thank you.
Kakakase kooti nti eyo seefu ya gure oba silver mbu ye si mulungi nnyo mu kala tamanyi oba siriva oba gure naye yagambye kooti mbu ya siriva.
Let's go to number 9.
Ekifaananyi eky'omwenda.
On top of that safe, there are keys.
Yes.
did you conduct your investigations or did you collect latent marks from those keys?
I didn't.
You didn't?
Because...
Thank you. You'll explain later, don't worry. You didn't.
Ku seefu eyo kuliko ebisumuluzo waggulu mbu yajjako marks fingerprints zaakyo mbu nedda.
And that photo or that safe shows that it was not broken but it was open. Is that right?
Definitely.
It was open.
Definitely, it was not broken.
And as you, the SOCO officer, or the officer in charge of the scene of crime, you never collected any latent marks from the keys. Is that right? Thank you.
Ate nga seefu eno eraga bulungi nti teyamenyebwa bumenyebwa yaggulibwa bugulibwa ebisumuluzo byaliko waggulu naye mbu ebisumuluzo teyabijjaako fingerprints zaabyo mbu kituufu.
Time of collecting?
Yes.
I don't remember the time.
You don't remember?
Tajjukira kiseera obudde mwe yagirako fingerprints.
Do you remember the time you left the scene of crime?
I don't remember the time.
You don't remember the time?
Ajjukira obudde bwe yava mu kifo ekyo omusango we gwazibwa tagujjukira.
Where are you feeling as you're forwarding the marks and the fingerprints?
Is it a police form?
Yes,
Police form number 1.
but it's not a police form, it's just a format.
So it's the form you filled when you're forwarding the latent ones.
forwarding form.
Let me see how it looks like. Because I'm not...
Came up with that form or you filled that form?
I feel it.
You filled it. Thank you. There is where there is brief detail of what happened. You have seen that?
Yes.
You noted that according to the CCTV camera, a security guard from SG opened for the unknown at around some time. Can you confirm that?
Yes, it is there.
Can you still also confirm? That the offices that we are opened were for Greenleaf Company, the same paragraph. Can you confirm the same?
Yes.
Can you also confirm to court that the stolen properties were only 3: money, computers, and cameras, according to that form?
According to the form, yes.
Thank you. Go to paragraph which begins with article examiner. In that article you state a black metallic safe and a silver padlock. Is that true? Can you confirm it to court?
Yes, true.
Black metallic safe.
Akakasa nti eyo foomu ye yagijjuza era ne bamubuuza mbu waliwo akatundu akasookera ddala we yawandiika ng'agamba.
You state that there were CCTV cameras. Did you get a chance of taking a look at those CCTV cameras as the SOCO?
No, I didn't.
You did.
But the IO did.
No, sorry?
The IO did.
The IO did. You did.
Mu foomu eyo y'emu yayogera ku CCTV.
You never extracted the footages of those CCTV cameras?
It wasn't my work.
That wasn't your work.
Tegwali mulimu gwe kubeekebejja ku CCTV cameras era teyazikebera.
The last question. You have informed us that the IO extracted the CCTV cameras. Do you have a copy here?
I don't have.
Thank
because
you.
I'm not a crime.
Thank you.
Olw'okuba si yakola ku CCTV cameras tasobola kuba kooti biki ebyavaamu.
Just remind us of your rank.
Detective Kookie.
Detective Corporal. Thank you so much.
tukize kooti eddaala lirya.
The file was seemed to have been opened. It was not actual breaking.
Bamuzizaayo ku kibuuzo kulida kye yamubuuzizza nti oluggi luno baaluyingiramu batya ng'ate yennyini yagambye mbu lwali tewali kiraga nti lwakwatibwako mbu kiraga oba baazuula nti kufulu yaggulibwa buggulibwa.
What if that's how we have in re-examination?
Hassan, I have only 2 questions.
Yes.
Is there any evidence which shows that this is a photo identifier? Answer my question.
Answer yes or no.
Yes.
Is there any evidence on this document that shows that this is a photo identifier?
Yes.
Can you show it to this honorable court?
Okay, the first evidence,
Show it to this honorable court. Thank you.
the date
The date.
of visiting the scene of crime,
Okay.
identifying the date, the time, the place where the scene of crime occurred, the police station where where the case was reported, the case itself,
Go slow. Court is writing.
Yes?
the case itself, the SD reference under which that case was registered,
Yes?
my particulars, and the camera used.
And I read the same thing. Will that plain paper amount to being an identifier? If I get a plain paper and I read the same things here, will this plain paper become an identifier, a photographer identifier?
As per now, it will not.
It will not. Thank you. Just still confirm that there is no word on this document. The word photo identifier or heading photo identifier, it's on there. Thank you. Lastly, confirm to this court that this so-called identifier has Church Zone Kisumu as a place where the offense was committed.
So that's the scene you're visiting?
That is the scene you visited.
That is the scene.
Most of blood.
Any examination on the photo identifier?
Your Worship, we have no question in re-examination. That is his only role that he actually played. So we wanted to bring that one and another person.
Okay, we'll give you a date which is relaxed.
Most obliged. Which is available to court. It's okay with the office of that state.
No, I mean in the witness says the state is available, the criminal day is the whole day. I mean in
So
the witness.
50 it's a what? Isn't it a criminal day?
It's a criminal day. Okay.
The witness will come.
Either 2nd or 12th. 12th is a free day. 12th November.
12 what?
November.
November.
Sorry, October. You're the mic that will rest.
Second.
Most of that.
2nd October.
Most obliged. You're glad it's inside this matter. What time again? 11? Because
So
we
you
want
say
to-
what time?
want to be specific.
I'll pray for 11.
Prisons, you say time? It's okay?
Basigazaayo abajulizi basatu bokka omuli omusirikale yakola okunoonyereza eyakuggyako engalo zo n'omulala yeekebejja fingerprints ezaabaweebwa. Nsaba ogenda kuddamu owulira nga ennaku z'omwezi 2 omwezi gw'Ekumi ku ssaawa 5.